Well, hey folks, third flight. This time, got the KM Models afterburner, the 80mm integral, sent to me by Hobby Zone for review. Thank you, Hobby Zone. Rates are 100% throws over 30% expo. Take her up and have some fun. All right. Might actually be able to see the afterburner this time. Well, this is the first time, actually this is the first time I've flown with the afterburner. All right, takeoff flaps. Here we go. Yeah, I can see a little bit. See that pretty blue. I'm gonna take her up. Make sure everything's down. And it is. Has 2 landings for the price of 1.
Flaps up.
I'm definitely going to do like Rich Baker says on RC Informer, and I'm going to carve out some of the foam in the very front bulkhead so I can get that battery a little further forward, because I'm still trying to keep her from wanting to rise on me. Tracks on the ground really well.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'm gonna bring her by kind of low. Flaps aren't down, just kind of tanking along there.
Gear down.
Got my gear down.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, there's absolutely no change in how she behaves when the gear is down and landing flaps are down. Oh yeah. Man, that's a sweet jet. Once you get a plane all trimmed out and sorted out and you get her locked in, man, then she really starts opening up to you. And I tell you, I'm very, very impressed. The engineering and the design of this thing is becoming more and more apparent of what a great flying design this is. All right. Here we go, no flaps. Of course, I'm into the wind, so I don't really need flaps. And her ground handling is phenomenal.
Gear up.
You know, ground handling is phenomenal in this thing. All right, we take her up now?
Time remaining 1 minute.
Had to see where she drops out. Now I know.
Gear down. seconds. Landing flaps.
Oh man, what a baby. What a sweetheart.
Flaps up.
I know I only got 25 seconds, but I'm going to push it because I didn't reset my timer to 4 minutes.
20 seconds.
So we're actually going to do one flyby and one landing. All right, and obviously one takeoff. All right, here we go. Don't leave my gear down though.
10, 9, 8,
All right.
6. Landing flaps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right, flyby with gear down.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Hit a bump.
Flaps up.
Hit a little ramp there. I tell you what, that right there, that is one sweet flying jet. And this being the third flight, look at that tail afterburner. That's a KM model afterburner, by the way. Thing just looks mean.
Prop secured.
All right, we were 22 seconds over. So 3 minutes and 52 seconds, so almost 4 minutes. Unplug the afterburner. %. So 4 minutes will bring you back at 18 to 25, anywhere in there depending on. So I think what I'll do is I'll make it 3 minutes and 50 seconds, and that should be just about perfect. Put me right about 30%. That's for perfect storage rate. All right, and like I say, I do have I put a sponge block in there just in case the battery tray was to fail, and that they'll catch it, but that's weighs nothing. So this one, real soft sponge foam blocks, cut to fit, get a lot of packing material. But that, folks, is the 80mm integral or integral, or however you want to say it. Great flying jet, great flying sport jet, 80mm, and unusual design, and definitely different. And she flies really locked in, but you got to get her trimmed out. And once you get her locked in and get her set for you, man, she's a lot of fun. I'm impressed with her. I didn't like the looks of her at first, but I do now. All right, folks, y'all have a good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then Sharky.